Good morning. I'm Mike Neundorfer here in Cleveland, Ohio at Advanced RV, and I want to share with you this morning another piece of equipment we've purchased to help us customize motorhomes for clients. The equipment is a 3D printer. We've been using SolidWorks for rendering our designs for clients and also for internal production. And now we have a 3D printer that we use for prototyping parts and for actually making parts. When we have parts in a limited quantity, we can print parts. What we see on the 3D printer here is prototype parts being made in this orange color. And these parts are being made with a plant-derived plastic so that it's recyclable and doesn't have any odor. But there are all kinds of other plastics available, ABS, elastomeric plastics that give us some stretch. We can combine those plastics and we can create parts. This part is a door holder. It goes over a kitchen sink and holds the bathroom door in position. This part here is a second prototype for our 360 camera arrangement. And it also incorporates high-intensity LED outside lights. So we have one penetration through the side of the motorhome for the power for the lights and also for the camera, for the 360 view cameras on the side mounts. We also make a mount for in the grill and many, many other parts. So this is an exciting addition to our capabilities. We can quickly prototype designs right from our CAD system to our 3D printer, and we can do them out of a variety of plastics, and this helps us build custom motorhomes, try the parts, make sure they work, and to keep our production going forward. We're excited, and I thought I would share this additional capability with you. Thanks for listening. And we look forward to your visiting Advanced RV or calling or emailing us with any questions you have. Thank you.